how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. If you want to restart, click power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart phone. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on notification and status bar. After click on notification and status bar, click on customize icon display and turn off hotspot. After turn off hotspot, turn on hotspot. You will turn on or turn off hotspot 1 to 5 times from here. After turn on hotspot, you will see and check your internet connection is work properly. Yes, internet connection is work properly. After check internet, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so reset settings. Settings app, click on more creativity option and click on reset and click on reset settings. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so update your software. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.